Welcome to our sweet journey into the life of Ruth Wakefield, the ingenious inventor of the beloved chocolate chip cookie. It all began back in the 1930s when Ruth and her husband owned the Toll House Inn, a popular restaurant in Massachusetts. Ruth, being an accomplished chef, wanted to bake a special cookie that would captivate her customers. Little did she know, her creation would become an American classic. One fateful day, as she whipped up a batch of butter-drop dip cookies, Ruth realized she was out of baker's chocolate. So, she improvised and used a semi-sweet chocolate bar instead. To her surprise, the chocolate didn't melt completely, but instead transformed into irresistible pockets of gooey sweetness within the cookie dough. And just like that, the chocolate chip cookie was born. Word spread quickly about Ruth's delectable creation, and soon everyone was coming to the Toll House Inn for a taste of her famous cookies. In partnership with Nestlé, Ruth's recipe was featured on the back of their chocolate bar packaging, spreading the joy of her cookies even further. Ruth Wakefield's invention forever changed the world of baking and delighted millions with her delicious creation. Her legacy lives on in every mouth-watering bite of a chocolate chip cookie enjoyed to this day. So, next time you bite into a warm chocolate chip cookie, remember to thank the brilliant Ruth Wakefield for her sweet gift to the world. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover innovation legends.